Staying fit while traveling sounds great, until you're living out of a suitcase, running between flights, and the hotel gym looks more like a storage closet. You pack workout clothes with good intentions, but they stay in the bag. The truth is, staying active on the road doesn't need a gym, a trainer, or even a full hour of your time. It just takes a few simple strategies that actually fit into your day. Things that work, even in a hotel room or an airport lounge. In this video, I'll show you how to move, stay strong, and feel good while traveling, using no equipment methods that keep things simple. This is how to stay fit without a gym wherever you are. Travel can throw everything off. Your schedule changes, your routine disappears, but staying active doesn't have to be complicated. What helped me the most is letting go of the idea that I need a perfect workout or a full gym to move my body. I've learned to keep things simple and just use what's around me. If the hotel has stairs, I'll take them instead of the elevator. If I have 10 minutes before a meeting, I'll stretch or do a few bodyweight exercises right there in my room. It doesn't have to be anything intense or formal. Just a few minutes of movement can clear my head, lift my energy, and make me feel like I'm still showing up for myself. I usually lean on bodyweight exercises because they're effective, they take zero equipment, and they can be done anywhere. Push-ups, lunges, planks, and squats. On most days, I'll just set a timer for 10 minutes and move however I feel. I don't stress about doing everything perfectly or following a strict plan. If I'm short on time, I'll do 1 or 2 rounds. If I have more time or energy, I'll go longer. The key is just starting. Even a little bit matters. Planks are one of my favorite ways to engage my core and reset my posture, especially after long flights or hours of sitting. When I first started, I could only hold one for, 20 seconds, but I've worked my way up to a good minute and a half. These days, I usually aim for 2 one-minute holds, and honestly, it makes a huge difference in how stable and strong I feel throughout the day. Besides core strength, planks are also great for improving shoulder stability and reducing lower back tension. I'll lean on push-ups when I want to work my upper body without needing any gear or space. When I'm consistent, I try to do 3 sets of 15 push-ups, but it's important to always listen to how your body feels. Even just 5 to 10 slow, quality reps can be enough to activate the muscles in your chest, arms, and core, especially if you repeat that a couple of times with some rest in between. If full push-ups are too challenging on any particular day, I'll drop to my knees and still get a good workout without overdoing it. I also make a point to walk more when I'm traveling. Walking is simple, obviously, but it adds up. I take calls while pacing back and forth around the room. I'll explore nearby streets when there's free time. Sometimes I just walk back and forth in the hallway. That's all I got. The goal isn't to be perfect or crush a real workout. It's to stay connected to my body and keep myself moving throughout the day. One thing that really helped me was learning to pair movement with everyday tasks. I'll stretch while the coffee's brewing, or do calf raises while brushing my teeth, or try squatting while watching something on my laptop. These little actions don't take extra time, but they stack up, and they help me stay grounded, especially on hectic travel days. Those light daily movements keep me centered, but I don't always want to be the one holding the reins. When it's all on you, it's easy to lose steam. So I found something that could guide me without adding pressure. It's called Future Fitness. Let me give you a quick but honest review of Future Fitness. It's an online personal training app that pairs you with a certified coach. So not just an algorithm or pre-recorded classes. Your coach builds completely customized workouts based on your goals, your schedule, and your fitness level. And whatever equipment you got laying around, even if that's nothing more than a hotel floor and a towel. What really made Future work for me was the accountability. My coach regularly checks in, adjusts workouts when I'm traveling or low on energy, and helps keep me on track without pressuring me. Now, getting started with it was easy. I just downloaded the app, and I got matched with a coach based on my goals and preferences. Y'all can have a kickoff call there to discuss your routine, any challenges, and what equipment you have available. If you use a smartwatch, like an Apple Watch or anything with Wear OS 3, Future can sync with it so your coach can adjust things based on real-time feedback. It makes the workouts feel a lot more dialed in and responsive to what your body's actually doing. There are no fixed class times or cancellation fees here. There's no rigid expectations. It's just a coach who's in your corner with workouts that adapt to your life and a system that travels with you. Once you understand how the coaching works, the next question is usually about cost. Now, Future Fitness uses a tiered pricing model. The standard membership is around $200 a month, billed monthly. But if you're just testing it out, they offer a $99 trial month, which is what I started with. It's a great way to experience what having a coach actually feels like without jumping straight into a big commitment. After the trial, you can stick with month to month or save a bit by switching to a longer-term plan that's billed up front. Future strikes that nice balance between consistency and control. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. Some users have said it could be better at tailoring plans for niche goals or injuries. Personally, I've got a labrum tear in my left shoulder and my coach adapted just fine, but you should be aware. And if you don't have a compatible smartwatch, your coach won't get real-time data, which does limit some of the feedback. But for me, just having expert guidance that traveled with me made a real difference. It helped me stay consistent in a way that actually felt doable. Look, staying fit while traveling doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a gym or a perfect routine, just something that fits into your life instead of fighting it. And for me, that's where Future Fitness really came through. So if you're curious about giving it a try, check out the link in the description. Most of the products we talk about will come with special deals that you wouldn't find on their official site. And if this video helped you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. And drop any questions you got down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.